Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Star Sign Beauty. This month we are talking all about the Taurus, and the Taurus colors are really beautiful. It's this metallic kind of burgundy tone and then a matte kind of warm reddish brown here, and they both are so pretty on. I love how this look turned out, so if you want to see all of the products that I used and learn more about the Taurus with me, then keep on watching. Alright, it is time to get started, and while I'm applying my foundation, let's talk a little bit more about the Taurus. So the Taurus is the most reliable and dependable sign. They are really somebody you can count on. They're often described as very generous and trustworthy. They are ruled by Venus, so the things that matter a lot to them are love, luxury, and comfort. Things like home comforts, they're often described as a homebody, and they love to stick to a routine and not necessarily super excited when things change on the fly. They can be a little bit jealous, sometimes stubborn, and they're also known to be procrastinators. So if this sounds like you, be sure you let me know in the comments down below. And if you are curious about some of the celebrity Tauruses in the world, 3 of my favorites are David Beckham, George Clooney, and of course, my girl Adele. Alright, we are ready to jump into our color for this month. Now the colors, again, like I mentioned, are really warm. This beautiful deep brown almost has a red tone to it, and I'm taking that and laying it down all the way across the lid, but keeping it focused underneath the crease just to give a really beautiful wash of that brown tone. Next, I'm going in with a transition color. I'm jumping into a color from the palette that's not Taurus, but I wanted a nice kind of warmer transition from the brown to my skin tone. So I laid that across above the crease and then used this fluffy brush just to blend the two together. Next, I went in with the metallic tone assigned for Taurus and went in and just slapped that right over the top of the brown. I wanted the brown down first to give me a good base, and then added the red on that inner corner right over the top of it. And then here you can see I'm going back in with the matte brown and adding a second layer, kind of marrying the two colors together. And then I went into the center color, which is our highlight color. We use it pretty much every single one of these because it's just a great color to lay down underneath the brow bone to give us a little bit of light and reflection, taking that all the way across and into that inner corner as well. Cleaning up the line here just to give a lifted look and make sure that there's no brown fallout underneath the eye. And then going in with a pencil brush and the brown tone and taking that down underneath for kind of a smudgy lash line, just to tie the top and the bottom together. You can see here that I'm just doing some refining work, so going back in with the red metallic and really giving a nice clean finish to the inner corner. I really love having a metallic on the inner corner and a matte on the outer corner. I just think it's a really great look. Then just going in with my go-to cookie highlighter by Benefit, adding a little bit down the center of my nose and across the tops of my cheekbones. Fixing up them brows a little bit with a little Glossier Boy Brow just to lift, separate, and give a little bit of definition to the brow hairs themselves. Cannot go wrong with this stuff. And then finishing the eyes with mascara. This is the Benefit Bad Gal, which is my jam. Can't get enough of it, and I think it really finishes off the look to have those defined lashes. Adding a little bit of blush color here. This is one of the Milani Baked blushes. These are so pigmented and beautiful, easy to use, and this one is kind of in a red tone, so I felt like it went really well with the eyelid color. And then finishing off this look with a high gloss shine from Urban Decay. This one again is metallic and it's kind of that brick red color, so it really ties the look all together. Alright you guys, that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure you like, follow, and subscribe, and I'll see you next month for another Star Sign Beauty.